All right, guys, we have the Hot Wheels monster trucks from New Bright. This is a 4-in-1 ramp set, 1/43rd scale, 2.4 gigs. You can race up to 6 of these together, 15 pieces. You get 4 different bodies. Comes with smashed cars, cones, and then you can use the carrying case as a ramp, which I thought was pretty cool. So yeah, we picked this up to do a review for you guys to check it out. Looked like a lot of fun. You get a bunch of stickers to put on the ramps, aka carrying case. So let's get it opened up and check it out. You just push down on this little tab and slide. There we go. Here's the truck. Here are the bodies, which is kind of cool that it comes with all these bodies. Cones, smashed cars, all your stickers.
Big action wheels. Bone shaker.
And then what is probably the cheapest feeling remote controller I've ever felt. But at this price point, what can you expect? But yeah, this is like so cheap. All right, here's a little track we made, just a 6x8 brown indoor-outdoor rug. And then we just took some cardboard and some place matting to make some ramps. Got some snow for effect because it is December. There's our backflip ramp. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for this giveaway, RC for All Edition, Power Craze, Soul Desert. All right, let's check out this 1/43rd scale monster truck. So it's powered by 3 AAA batteries. Excellent. Little wheelie. Now we're going to switch one of the bodies out. See how that works. Here's what it looks like with the body removed. You have these little tabs that you have to pry it off of. That body looks pretty good. It's faster than I thought it would be. right, guys, you made it to the end of the video. So we're going to be giving away this Power Craze Soul Desert. It goes up to 17 miles an hour. It's proportional throttle, but not proportional steering. And it's small enough, you know, with winter coming, you can still use this in the garage, in the house, and it's a lot of fun. So all you have to do is like and make sure you subscribe to the channel. In order to win, you do have to live in the US. And all you have to do is comment down below, what is your favorite RC vehicle? So just leave that down in the comments, and then we'll do a drawing, and then somebody is going to win this. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you in the next one.
Merry Christmas.